Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fact Story. I hope you are liking the facts that I am sharing. In today's episode, I am going to share with you some amazing facts that are going to blow your mind. So without wasting any more time, let's explore. Fact number 1. Do you know that if a star passes too close to a black hole, it can be torn apart? For close to 20 years, a team of astronomers observed a star at the center of the galaxy orbiting a black hole. The star has now got close enough to the black hole for gravitational redshifts to occur, which is where the starlight loses energy as the black hole's gravity intensified. Total disruption of the star is shredded apart when the star moves too close in proximity to the massive black hole. Usually, a star gets torn apart and ripped into shreds when it comes close to the black hole because of the black hole's immensely powerful gravity. The astronomers refer to this phenomenon as total disruption event. As a result of this, a huge blast of energy happens, which can be billions of times brighter than the sun. Fact number 2. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus, not the Mercury. Almost every people think that Mercury is close to the sun, so it is the hottest planet. So let me tell you something. The belief is completely wrong. Venus has a lot of gases in its atmosphere, and its dense atmosphere traps heat from the sun, which results in greenhouse effect, thus maintaining a constant temperature of around 864 degrees Fahrenheit everywhere on the surface, and is hot enough to melt lead. Moreover, the surface of Venus has thousands of large volcanoes. Because of all these reasons, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface is so hot and extremely dry that the spacecraft that land on them have survived only a few hours before being destroyed. In addition, during the evolution of the planet, the UV rays from the sun evaporated the water quickly, keeping the planet in a hot molten state. Fact number 3. Our solar system is around 4.56 billion years old. By the process of radiometric dating the rocks within the Earth crust as well as the rocks of our neighbors such as Moon and meteorite, scientists have calculated that the Earth is nearly 4.56 billion years old, with an error range close to 50 million years. Moreover, getting to this point of knowing the Earth's age at such an accurate precision has been a long scientific journey. In another estimation, scientists claim that in another 5 billion years, our sun will exhaust the hydrogen fuel in its core and start burning helium and will expand, becoming a red giant. During this, the atmosphere of sun will expand largely, and in about 7.5 billion years, its expanding surface will engulf the Mercury, Venus, and likely our planet Earth. Fact number 4. Enceladus, one of the moons of Saturn, reflects back 90% of the sunlight. Enceladus, one of the smaller moons of Saturn with a diameter of 515 km, is small enough to fit inside the Arizona state border. Because of its icy surface, Enceladus reflects more than 90% of the sunlight that falls on it, thus making it one of the brightest objects in the solar system. Because it reflects light rather than absorbing it, the temperature reaches as low as 200 degrees Celsius. Enceladus' size is only 1/7 the diameter of our moon. In addition, unlike other spherical bodies, it is of the shape of an oblate spheroid, bulging out slightly around the equator because of the effects of the gravity as it spins. The icy discharge from this moon contributes to Saturn's massive ring, which is the largest planetary ring in the solar system. Fact number 5. Do you know which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Well, it is not what you think. It is not Mount Everest. It is Olympus Mons. The highest mountain and the largest volcano discovered in the whole solar system is the Olympus Mons, located on Mars. Olympus Mons is 3 times higher than the Mount Everest, Earth's highest mountain, whose peak is 5.5 miles above the sea level, while Olympus Mons' peak is 17 miles high. Mount Everest is just a tiny object when compared to Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a sealed volcano formed due to the eruptions of lava and may still be an active volcano with the potential to erupt, according to the scientists. And not only it is tall, but also very wide, approximately 552 kilometers, and is the size of Arizona. Olympus Mons is still a young volcano. Though it has taken billions of years to form, but some of the regions of the mountain may be only a few million years old, which is relatively much young compared to the lifetime of the solar system. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, give us a like and share with your friends and family because that will encourage us to make such amazing interesting fact videos for you all. And do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more updates on such amazing unknown facts.